breaking updates coming in of a massive fire that broke out at a private hospital in Tamil Nadu's Dindigul district, leaving 6 people dead. A total of 29 patients have been shifted to the nearby government hospital for treatment. Senior officials, including the district collector, had visited the site to oversee the ongoing relief efforts. The cause of the fire and the extent of the damage are currently being investigated. My colleague Dharani is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dharani, what's the update? Any details on what led to the fire? Any injuries are being reported?
Initial probe reveals that the fire may have been caused due to an electrical short circuit in the ground floor of the building. So the fire originated from the ground floor of the building and rapidly it spread to the other floors is what the fire department personnel are telling us. And as soon as the fire broke out, a thick smoke engulfed the entire building, leading to patients suffocating and going unconscious. 6 people have unfortunately lost their lives in this fire, and this includes a minor boy also, and all the other patients who are getting treated in this hospital, both the outpatients and the admitted ones, they've been shifted to the Dindigul Government Hospital for further treatment, further continuation of treatment. Meanwhile, the district administration has launched a thorough probe into this matter to ascertain the exact reason for the cause of the fire, and also to know what can be done to make sure the treatment of the patients who have been evacuated now, that continues without any obstacle. So we have to wait and see, but for the time being, it is a very unfortunate, tragic incident coming to light from Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. This is a private hospital which specializes in ortho treatments, ortho surgery and other ortho related treatments, and the fire broke out around 7:30 to 8 p.m. in the night yesterday is what sources are telling, and several fire tenders and hundreds of fire department personnel from the districts of Dindigul, Karur and Madurai, they were deployed as soon as the incident happened to douse the fire, and right now the rescue operations are all over, and the investigation is going on to ascertain the exact reason for
important to ascertain what led to this fire incident, isn't it? Thank you for joining us with those details, Dharani.